Look up at the night sky. It's a vast, endless expanse that has fascinated humanity for millennia. On a clear night, you see countless stars, each one a distant sun, twinkling in the darkness. Each star is a giant ball of burning gas, just like our sun, radiating light and heat across the cosmos. Some stars are bigger and brighter than our sun, shining with an intensity that can be seen across vast distances. Some are smaller and dimmer, barely visible to the naked eye, yet they play a crucial role in the cosmic tapestry. They seem unchanging, but they are not. Stars move, evolve, and transform over time. They are born in stellar nurseries, live for millions or even billions of years, and eventually die, often in spectacular ways. The distances between stars are vast, almost impossible to imagine. Even the closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. Light from distant stars takes years, centuries, even millennia to reach our eyes, traveling at the speed of light. When we look at the stars, we are looking back in time. We see them as they were when that light began its journey. We see them not as they are now, but as they were in the distant past, a cosmic time machine revealing the history of the universe. The universe is full of amazing things, swirling galaxies, exploding stars, mysterious black holes, and much more. For thousands of years, people have looked up at the night sky and wondered, what is out there? What secrets does the universe hold? How did it all begin? Are we alone in this vast expanse? These questions have driven our quest for knowledge and understanding. Astronomy is the study of the universe, a science that seeks to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. It is a journey of discovery that takes us from our home planet to the farthest reaches of space, exploring planets, stars, and galaxies. Join us as we take a whirlwind tour through the history of astronomy, from ancient stargazers to modern-day astronomers, and explore the wonders of the cosmos. Together, we will uncover the secrets of the universe and marvel at the beauty and complexity of the night sky. For centuries, people have been fascinated by the stars. The night sky, with its twinkling lights, has always been a source of wonder and mystery. From the earliest days of human history, our ancestors looked up and saw patterns, stories, and even gods in the stars. Ancient civilizations carefully tracked the movement of the sun, moon, and stars. They observed the changing positions of these celestial bodies and used this knowledge to create calendars, predict seasons, and even navigate vast oceans. They built monuments to align with celestial events. These structures were not just architectural marvels, but also astronomical tools. They marked solstices, equinoxes, and other significant celestial events, helping ancient people understand the passage of time. Think of Stonehenge in England or the pyramids of Egypt. These iconic structures are aligned with the stars in ways that still baffle modern scientists. They stand as a testament to the advanced astronomical knowledge of ancient civilizations. One of the first to use a telescope to study the heavens was Galileo Galilei. His work marked a significant turning point in the history of astronomy. Before Galileo, people relied on naked eye observations, but his telescope opened up a new world of discovery. In the early 1600s, he made his own telescope. This simple yet revolutionary device allowed him to see further and clearer than anyone before him. It was a game changer in the field of astronomy. He pointed it at the moon and discovered mountains and craters. This was a groundbreaking revelation because it challenged the prevailing belief that celestial bodies were perfect and unblemished. He saw that Jupiter had moons orbiting it, just like planets orbit the sun. This observation provided strong evidence against the geocentric model, which held that everything revolved around the Earth. Isaac Newton changed our understanding of the universe. His work built on the discoveries of earlier astronomers and took them to new heights. Newton's contributions were not just limited to astronomy. They spanned multiple fields of science. He developed the law of gravity. This fundamental force explained the motion of celestial bodies and provided a unified framework for understanding the universe. This law explains why objects fall to the Earth and why planets orbit stars. It was a monumental breakthrough that laid the groundwork for modern physics and astronomy. He also built the first reflecting telescope using mirrors instead of lenses. This innovation allowed for clearer and more accurate observations, further advancing the field of astronomy. These early astronomers made amazing discoveries. Their work laid the foundation for our current understanding of the cosmos. They were true pioneers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. They helped us understand that Earth is not the center of the universe. This was a radical shift in perspective that changed how we see our place in the cosmos. We are part of a much larger and more complex system. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and thanks to the efforts of these stargazing pioneers, we have begun to unravel its mysteries. Their legacy continues to inspire new generations of astronomers and scientists who carry on the quest to understand the cosmos. Telescopes are our eyes on the universe. The first telescopes were simple. They used glass lenses to gather light. Over time, telescopes became more powerful. They used larger lenses and better designs. In the 20th century, astronomers started building reflecting telescopes. These telescopes use mirrors instead of lenses to gather light. Mirrors can be made much larger than lenses. This allows us to see fainter and more distant objects. Today, some of the largest telescopes in the world have mirrors over 30 feet across. These telescopes are incredibly powerful. They can see objects billions of light years away. They are helping us to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Our eyes can only see a tiny part of the light that exists, the visible spectrum. But the universe is full of light that we can't see. The visible spectrum is just a small slice of the vast electromagnetic spectrum, which includes many other types of light that are invisible to the naked eye. There's radio waves, infrared light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays. Each of these types of light has its own unique properties and can reveal different aspects of the cosmos. Each type of light tells us something different about the universe. For instance, radio waves can travel through clouds of gas and dust, revealing hidden structures, while infrared light can show us the heat emitted by celestial objects. Radio telescopes detect radio waves from space. These waves can penetrate clouds of gas and dust, allowing astronomers to see through these cosmic veils and uncover hidden phenomena. This allows us to see objects that are hidden from view in visible light. Infrared telescopes can see heat, which is particularly useful for studying cooler objects in space, such as newly forming stars and planets. They can see through clouds of gas and dust that block visible light. This capability is crucial for observing regions where stars and planets are being born, providing insights into the early stages of their formation. This allows us to study the formation of stars and planets. X-ray and gamma ray telescopes detect high-energy radiation, which is emitted by some of the most energetic and extreme objects in the universe. This radiation comes from powerful objects like black holes and supernovae. By studying these high-energy emissions, scientists can learn about the life cycles of stars, the behavior of black holes, and the dynamics of supernova explosions. By observing the universe in all these different types of light, we get a much more complete picture of what's out there. Each wavelength of light adds a new layer of information, helping us to piece together the complex puzzle of the cosmos. This multi-wavelength approach allows us to explore the universe in unprecedented detail, revealing the hidden wonders of the cosmos and expanding our understanding of the vast, intricate universe we inhabit. In Hubble's universe, we see light years beyond anything imagined by all of humanity. For centuries, astronomers thought that the Milky Way was the only galaxy in the universe. Then, in the 1920s, Edwin Hubble made an amazing discovery. He found that there are other galaxies out there, billions of them. Hubble used a powerful telescope to study distant objects that were thought to be clouds of gas and dust. He discovered that these objects were actually galaxies, vast collections of stars, gas, and dust, just like our own Milky Way. Hubble's discovery revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It showed us that our galaxy is just one of billions in the vast expanse of space. The universe was suddenly a much bigger and more mysterious place than we had ever imagined. The dance of stardust, since the dawn of time, eventually gave birth to the planets. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies. They are born in giant clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Gravity pulls the gas and dust together. As the cloud collapses, it heats up. Eventually, the core of the cloud gets so hot that nuclear fusion begins. This is the process that powers stars. Stars can live for millions, billions, or even trillions of years. As they age, they change. Eventually, they run out of fuel and die. Some stars end their lives in spectacular explosions called supernovae. Planets form from the leftover material after a star is born. This material orbits the star in a disk. Over time, the particles in the disk clump together. These clumps grow larger and larger, eventually forming planets. These are the darkest secrets of the cosmos. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. The star's core collapses under its own gravity. It squeezes itself into an infinitely small point called a singularity. Anything that gets too close to a black hole is pulled in by its gravity. The point of no return is called the event horizon. Once something crosses the event horizon, it can never escape. Black holes are invisible to telescopes. However, we can detect them by the way they interact with their surroundings. Life beyond Earth and intelligence beyond our own. Are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. Today, astronomers are searching for signs of life beyond Earth. They are looking for planets that are similar in size and temperature to Earth. These planets are located in the habitable zone around their stars. Astronomers have already discovered thousands of planets orbiting other stars. These planets are called exoplanets. Some of these exoplanets are located in the habitable zone. They could potentially have liquid water on their surfaces, which is essential for life as we know it. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting and challenging endeavors in astronomy. The future of astronomy, unraveling the cosmos. Astronomy is a constantly evolving science. New discoveries are being made all the time. Powerful new telescopes are being built. These telescopes will allow us to see farther into space and back in time than ever before. In the coming decades, astronomers hope to answer some of the biggest questions about the universe. How did the universe begin? What is the nature of dark matter and dark energy? Is there life beyond Earth? The future of astronomy is bright with promise. With each new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Our place in the universe. Astronomy has taught us that we live on a small planet orbiting an average star in a vast and ancient universe. Our home planet is a precious oasis of life in the vastness of space. As we explore the universe and learn more about its wonders, let us remember to appreciate the fragility and beauty of our own planet. Let us strive to protect this pale blue dot, the only home we know. The universe is full of wonder and mystery. Keep looking up at the stars and asking questions.